sir. This is Team Void Main, and my name is Srijan, and we created a project using a MeetStream API, in which, like for example, it's not just recording and transcript the meeting. What we did was we did something extra. We built AI agents that will automate tasks of the user. For example, you are in a meeting with their employees, and in the meeting you mentioned that I want to assign a task to let's say Aditya. So a personalized email will be sent to Aditya, in which in the email it will be written what task has been assigned to Aditya, and also one more feature in which, for example, if you say that let's have a meeting on 26th April, 27th April at 7 p.m. So in Google Calendar, it'll the your meeting time and date will be set. I'll be showing you the demo of how my product is working. Thank you. First, let's run the code here. So here the code is running. Now, as you see, the Flask is set up. Now let's go to Postman. This is my local host endpoint. I created this endpoint, and now with the help of this endpoint, I'm hitting the endpoint that you guys provided. Like for example, here the create bot API endpoint. It's hitting the API endpoint that you guys provided here, and with the header URL and all, it's getting the JSON data from here, like the bot ID and the URL, meeting URL, and all those things are happening. So what I'll do is I'll first create a meeting. One second. I just started the meeting here. Uh, let's wait. Yeah. So now what I'll do is I'll go to meeting info, and Postman. I'll copy here, and also in the endpoint you guys provide. So the create bot endpoint, you can see if I hit send, a bot ID will be created along with meeting link, and in the meeting your bot joined. Now I'll show you the code what happening. The bot
Recording
ID,
in progress.
it's came out in this in the CLI, the what in the form of JSON. Now the recording has started. For example, if I say, hello, my name is Srijan, and I'm a machine learning developer, and I want to assign a task to Aditya to complete his machine learning algorithms and set up a meeting for 26th of April at 5 p.m. So this is all what I said. Now I'll stop the bot using the remove bot endpoint which I created in my home code, which is heading your endpoint and doing all those things. Now end the meeting, and now let's go to fetch transcript. So here the transcript will be fetched. Let's see what happens. Now I'm fetch it's all happening from here. As you see, the transcript it came here, and as you can see, this is the transcript. I want to assign a task to Adi to complete mission set up on 26th April at 5 p.m. So this is what I said. But here Adi, as you can see, it's not Aditya, it's Adi. So what I did was I did partial matching in this thing. In partial matching, if you also for Aditya, if you say Adi, or for Rishit, if you say Rish, it will automatically think that okay, it's Aditya, and that's how, because sometimes the transcript it comes out to be wrong, right? So this partial matching help. What how the it's how the bot is sending, how the agent is sending emails, and is with the help of this CSV. What I did was, for example, I'll create a CSV file of my employees, in which all the employee name, the employee email, and the employee Slack ID will be stored. For example, in this contact.csv, name, email, and Slack ID. You see Aditya as an email, Benan's guy. So now I'll show you the email was sent or not. For example, if I go to Gmail, go to the sent place here. As you can see, to complete a machine learning 1 minute ago. This is the email that has been sent to Aditya Belansky, as seen here, and also in the response, and also in the response, I set up a meeting. Like here, you can see the meeting URL is also created. in which the Google Calendar, it is shown that what time and what as you can see as you can see the meeting is set here. So this is how the meeting has been set. Actually, some fault in transcript is there, so that's why a little bit of error is happening here. We also tried to do a Slack in which is the you can send Slack messages also with the help of Slack. You can send the Slack messages, but here it was we were facing some kind of error and we were short of time because this project was totally built from scratch during this hackathon itself. So yeah, we are facing this problem. This is the main automating tasks. I personally will move forward the further with this project and integrate much more things that will help in automating more tasks. So that was all about the project. Thank you, sir.